Robotics is a part of our society in more ways than we can even think of. Our cars are robots, our phones are robots, how we get our groceries and our medicine is done by automation and robotics. And that's only going to increase in the future as we bring on things like AI and more automation and better software. So having students learn about robotics is fundamentally important. It's also super engaging, right? Having a robot that moves and does what you have programmed it to do, or you have built it and you built it wrong and you got to do it again. Robotics is such a big part of our world that we really need students to learn it. At Milestone C, we maximize student engagement, bring real-world career skills to students, and help teachers and schools keep pace with new age technology. Milestone C provides the curriculum, professional development, continuous coaching and support, and equipment and software as the full package for the classroom. Find out more and contact us at milestonec.com.